Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove these grab handles. You have one near each door, and you might be removing this because it doesn't retract anymore, or it might be broken or missing. But I'm going to be removing this because I'm changing my whole headliner. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is bring the handle down, get a straight screwdriver, and stick it in between this cut right here. Just like that. And underneath the cover is a torque screw. And it's the same procedure on the other side. And to remove these torque screws, I'm using a T20 bit. I'm going to show you guys one more. Same procedure. Pull the handle, unclip both the covers, get a T20 Torx bit, and open both the screws. So this is how easy and simple it is to remove your grab handles on your Mercedes E-Class W211. And if this video helped you guys out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.